Horses in. Horses out, we have Good Humor. Pass to begin down on the inside. Jonas Recipe, Dancing Flower, moving up. Bustillos and on the outside is Scout Ranger. Dr. Choice comes next. California, and on the outside moving up is Lord Gold. Then followed by Labi, moving up on the outside. Dugo Sprite, Red Hot Water, and this Roma. And especially discreet is the early trailer. We have Jonas Recipe by about 2 lengths. Dancing Flower in second, a length back in third. Good Humor. Racing in fourth now, Scout Ranger. Bustillos is down in fifth. The sixth position belongs to Dr. Choice. Labi, California, Lord Gold rushing up on this Roma. Dugo Sprite, Red Dot, Water, and especially discreet. And it's still Jonas Recipe by about 2 lengths. Dancing Flower, Good Humor, Scout Ranger moving up on the outside third, but it's still Jonas Recipe by a length and a half. Good Humor, Scout Ranger, Bustillos on the outside fourth. Dr. Choice in Bivas, they come down at the last 150. We have Jonas Recipe, Good Humor moving up on the outside. Bustillos, Scout Ranger, Good Humor takes the lead. Jonas Recipe moving up. Bustillos on the outside. Good Humor followed by Bustillos on the outside. Good Humor, Bustillos, and finally it's Good Humor, Bustillos, Dr. Choice, Andy Rami, Specially Discreet, and Scout Ranger for your Super 6.
8952
712. 8952.